Alright, stop what you're doing, because Apple is about to shake up the desktop world in a way we haven't seen in years. A brand new M5 Mac Mini is on the horizon, and this is not a minor refresh. According to multiple leaks, Apple is preparing a massive leap forward with M5 and M5 Pro Silicon, and it could seriously question the future of traditional desktop PCs. Before we look ahead, remember what Apple already did. In late 2024, the Mac Mini finally got its long-overdue redesign. Smaller, quieter, more efficient, and starting at just $599, it became one of the best value computers ever made. The M4 Pro version proved you didn't need a tower to get workstation-level power. Now Apple is ready to push that idea even further. M5 architecture. Power without the bulk. Don't expect a new exterior. Apple sticks with designs for years, and the ultra-compact Mac Mini chassis is here to stay. The real transformation is inside. Leaks suggest the standard M5 chip will feature a 10-core CPU with improved efficiency and a major GPU upgrade. We're hearing up to 40 to 45% faster graphics compared to M4. That's insane for a machine this small. Apple is also done with 8GB RAM. The base model is expected to ship with 16GB unified memory, making it future-proof for AI workloads, creative tasks, and heavy multitasking. M5 Pro. Desktop killer territory. This is where things get scary for desktop PCs. The M5 Pro Mac Mini is rumored to feature up to a 16-core CPU and as many as 22 GPU cores. If true, that's around a 60% jump in graphics performance over the previous generation. Think about that. 8K video editing, massive code compilation, AAA gaming, all on a machine that fits in the palm of your hand. At this point, the Mac Mini starts overlapping with what the Mac Studio and high-end PCs used to dominate. Why desktop PCs are in trouble? Traditional desktops rely on size, fans, and power draw to deliver performance. Apple is doing the opposite: smaller, quieter, more efficient, yet faster. For most creators, developers, and everyday power users, the M5 Mac Mini could make bulky PC towers completely unnecessary. Pricing and release date. The biggest surprise? Pricing. Leaks suggest Apple plans to hold the line. M5 Mac Mini starting at $599 million, 5 Pro around $1,399. As for timing, all signs point to summer 2026, likely unveiled at WWDC, alongside other desktop Macs. If you're on Intel, or even M1, this is the upgrade to wait for. The M5 Mac Mini doesn't just challenge desktop PCs. It quietly makes many of them irrelevant. So what do you think? Is this the beginning of the end for desktop PCs, or just Apple making the best small desktop ever? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit subscribe for more Apple leaks, and I'll see you in the next one.